When I moved here in New Zealand 2 years ago, I start skating on the very first day. On my very first skate, I feel like I'm the most happiest person in the world. Ako nga pala si Ryan Espadilla, 27 taong gulang. Nakatira ako sa Philippines, pero ngayon nandito ako sa New Zealand.